Good morning, students. Students, in the previous class, we have discussed about sequence and series. What is sequence? The arrangement of numbers or terms to follow a particular pattern is called a sequence. Sequence is denoted by in the curly bracket Tn or Sn. So, what is the series? If you add the terms of the sequence, we can form a series. So both sequence and series are finite and infinite. Finite means what? A sequence containing finite number of terms is called finite sequence. A sequence containing uncountable number of terms is called infinite sequence. Similarly, series also. If the series is finite, it is called finite series, or it is uncountable terms are added, is called infinite series. So in the series or in the sequence, we can denote it by the each one terms. First term A1, second term A2, third term A3, fourth term A4, A5, A6 and so on An. Or T1, T2, T3, T4 and Tn. Tn means nth term of the sequence. So along with we already discussed about what is arithmetic progression. Today once again I am revising arithmetic progression, how to find common difference, how to find nth term and some examples. Today we will see. So what is arithmetic progression? Look at the board. Numbers are said to be in arithmetic progression when each one except the first is obtained by adding a constant to the previous number or in the number place given by terms. Terms are said to be in arithmetic progression when each one except the first term is obtained by adding a constant to the previous number or term. We are applying number, that's the number series. It's very simple, children. So see all of you look at the board. Take 1. 1 plus 2 how much, children? 3. 3 plus 2 how much, children? 5. 5 plus 2 how much, children? 7. 7 plus 2 how much, children? 9. And so on. Here, first term A1 equal to 1, A2 equal to 3, A3 equal to 5, A4 equal to 7, A5 equal to 9. And if we nth term it to, how to write nth term? That is Pn or An. According to their sequence. See all of observe here. This is a sequence or this is a progression. If a progression is said to be arithmetic progression except the first, second one onwards, how it is obtained? Adding a constant number. See, 1 plus 2 how much, children? 3. 3 plus 2 how much, children? 5. 5 plus 2 how much, children? 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 plus how much? 9? 2. So what is common over adding 2, children? You can take negative also. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Positive or negative. Subtraction is also 8 inverse. Okay, children? So this type of sequence of progression is called arithmetic progression. Take one more example. Even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It is also in AP. Why? Because 2 and 4 difference is how much? 2. That means how much adding? 2. 4 and 6 difference how much? 2. That is 4 plus 2, 6. 6 and 8 difference how much? 2. So here difference. So that is called common difference. Common difference divided by small d is equal to second term minus first term. See, 4 minus 2. 2 or not, or third term minus second term. So this is called common difference in an arithmetic progression. So what is the general form of an arithmetic progression? General form of an arithmetic progression. So shortcut we are writing arithmetic progression AP, arithmetic progression. Okay, so before example, once you consider how to write, I will consider first term is A, common difference A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on. A plus n minus 1 into D. See, for example, take even numbers 2. 2 plus 2 much 4. 4 plus 2 much 6. 6 plus 2 8. Next 10. Like that here, right? 2 plus nth term we want n minus 1 into how much does it have, right? That is the n value. Common difference 2. Simplify 2 plus 2n minus 2. 2 to cancel 2n. What is the general form of even numbers? 2n. We got it or not by using this general form. So that's why what is the general form of arithmetic progression? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is observing in this explanation? First term A1 is equal to A. Second term A equal to A plus D. Third term A equal to A plus 2D. Fourth term A plus 3D. And so on. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this An is called nth term of an arithmetic progression. We denote by the Tn or An. Nth term, T means nth term or nth term is equal to what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term of arithmetic progression. Now we learn 2 points. What is the general form of arithmetic progression? How to identify the term number? How to find nth term? Nth term formula what children? A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the procedure in arithmetic progression. All of you look at the board and note it down the definition, general formula, and the nth term of arithmetic progression. We will see some problems how to find nth term of an arithmetic progression. So remember the formula children. Nth term of an arithmetic progression is equal to nothing but Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Or some textbook it is given n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. For example C. 2, 5, 8, 11 is an AP. What is the 10th term? 10th term of the AP. See children, all of look at the board. How to solve this type of problem? 2, 5, 8, 11 is an arithmetic progression. It is clearly mentioned. It is an arithmetic progression. What is the 10th term of the AP? How to find? So to solve this type of problem, any problem, first of all identify the first term. A1 equal to nothing but A is equal to 2. a2 equal to second term. a2 how much? 5. a3 how much? 8. Now you can find common difference d value. Okay, so how to find d value? I said formula second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or fourth term minus third term, successive term minus predecessor term. That is the common difference. So here a2, that means second term how much? Some test book given T2, T1 or A2, don't confuse. Okay. So how to write same only? A2 minus A1. Secondary value 5. 5 minus how much? 3. So we know D value 3. Now term, which term we want? 10th term. And m equal to how much? M equal to 10. N equal to 10. Now you can find 10th term. In the place of n, you write 10, T10, T10, or you can write A10, same only. E10 is nothing but A10. So 10th term, according to formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. A means what is the value? 2 plus 10 minus 1 into D value how much children? Got it? 3. Simplify. 2 plus 10 minus 1 how much? 9. 9 into 3 equal to 2 plus 27. How much? 29. 29. So 10th term in this arithmetic progress is how much? 29. Is it clear, children, all of you? This is the way to find out nth term of an arithmetic progression. You can practice more problems based on these arithmetic progressions. What are they? What is the first term? What is the second term? What is the common difference? How to find nth term? How to verify the given sequence is an AP or not? So based on this all concept, you can remember. So today what we learn? Remember, arithmetic progression definition, how to find common difference, how to find nth term. Once again, you can watch the video, along with you can refer the textbooks and find out the arithmetic progression complete lesson. Understand, children? Thank you.